Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to publish an event directly to your Google profile from the SmartPost. Let's begin by entering the event title. Then continue with the start date and end date of your event. Similarly, proceed with the event start time and end time. Add a little description for your event. Next, optionally, you can upload a single media file, either an image or a video, to visually represent your event. If needed, go ahead and add a button text and button link to drive user actions for your event. And you're all set. Just click the Publish Event button to publish the event directly to your Google Business profile. And that's it. To view the published event, click on the View button. As you can see in the Content Manager screen, the event status is processing, which means the publishing is still in the progress on the Google side, and once completed, it will change back to live. It may take up to a few seconds to a minute. Let's wait for a few seconds and refresh the page. Okay, so now as you can see, it's live. You can click on this Google button to see the post live on your Google Business profile. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to publish an offer directly with SmartPost. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.